Hello, I am Janine from Props by Posies and Poppies and Posies Photography, where Jessica, my daughter, and I specialize in newborn photography. And we also have the Props by Posies shop where we sell our props. We sell patterns and for props and for rompers, and we also sell props as well. Jessica is in front of me at the table making headbands for our Valentine's collection that we're working on, and so I just wanted to pop on real fast and do a little video of the upcycle that I'm going to do. So I'm going to do an upcycle. This is a shirt that we've showed in a previous video, and so I want to show the kind of a little bit of the process, and then when it's completed. So this is what I'm going to do. This is the shirt, and if you don't know, upcycling is where we find pieces of clothing from a thrift store, and then we bring it home and create our rompers from those items. And that is what we love to do the most, because in doing so you find so many great details that you wouldn't normally get if you were to just sew one with the fabric that you have on hand. So I'm going to show you. So this shirt, if you remember from a previous video, it has a lining here, a lining that is actually it's sewn into the shirt. So I'm going to go ahead and separate those, because what I want to do is I want to use this for the front or the back and this for the front or the back. And I'm going to try and get, I think I can get 4 outfits out of the shirt. So I will let you know when I come back how many I got out. I will show you once I get them cut out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to separate this inside lining. I'm going to cut it out so that I can work with it separately and cut out either the front or the back of the Adelynn. Those, yes, I didn't mention that. I'm going to do the Adelynn, our Adelynn pattern, and it's one of our popular patterns. It has long sleeves. I'm going to alter it to make just a little cap sleeve, because I want to use this cute lace that I have right here to do the little cap sleeve on it. And I'll get more outfits out of this piece doing it that way, instead of using a bunch of it for a big sleeve. So that's what I'm going to do on this one. To find our patterns, you can go to our Etsy shop, which is Props by Posies, or you can go to our e-commerce page, which is propsbyposies.com, and find them there. This again is the Adelynn. Okay, and this is what I'm going to do. So I think what I want to do is a couple of them I'm going to do the lace on the front, and a couple I'm going to do the lace on the back, so that if you want to take pictures of them like bum up position, you'll see the beautiful lace. If you want to do on their back, then you would buy the one that has the lace, on the front, and you get that cute look. So this is the pattern. I'm going to try and get 2 on the front, 2 on the back, and then with the lining I'm also going to be able to get the backs, front and back. So that's what I'm going to work on. I'm going to go ahead and cut out this lining here, so it's 2 separate pieces, and then I will be able to work with them separately. So I will go ahead and just cut that right off. This shirt, Jessica, do you remember, was it $4?
It was $4.99.
It's either 4 or 5,
It was 4 or 5.
because they don't do the 99s, they just do the, so there we go. So I'm just cutting that out, and then I'm going to go ahead and cut it out here. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I'll come back and show you as soon as I get them separated. Okay. Okay. So I'm back. This is what I got out of that shirt. I was able to get 4 outfits. So I've cut 2. These are 2. I have them doubled here. So these are 2. I have 2 of low back plains, 2 high neck for the front. So this is the back, this is the front, that are plain. I have 2 plain fronts, and then 2 lace backs and 2 lace fronts. So what I'll be able to do is take this and place it with this one. So I'll have one side that is plain and one side that is lace. And the great thing about this is that it is perfectly matched, because it had the lining that matched really, really well. So because of that, I was able to get 4 out of this shirt instead of just 2. So there you go. So that's the front. turn it this way so everyone can see better. So move these out of the way. So this is what it looks like, right side up. It's just like this. And then the back is the low back. It's the plain fabric with the low back. And then I have one that my fingers are snagging, like I said here. And then I have one that is low back. I'm going to show what that looks like. So you've got the low back and the high front that is plain. So this will be the front, and then this will be the back, which is perfect for if you like to do the bum up pose, because you'll have the pretty lace in the back. If you don't like to do the bum up pose and you like to do it on their backs, then you would want to, you know, do the lace on the front. So that's what they both look like. So these are two. This is the opposite. So I got 4 total, 2 of these and 2 of these. And then what I did is using the bottom of the shirt. I didn't even have to. I used the flounce for just one set. So I used the bottom. I was able to go high enough on the lace shirt that I was able to get 6 little sleeves out of the little cap sleeves out of the bottom of the shirt, which is awesome. So I just used one on the flounce, and then I can keep that flounce and use it for others. So that's awesome too. So this is what it will look like. This is the little cap sleeve here. That's what it will look like that. And like that. And it has a little fringe on the end. Once I iron it, I didn't iron it, but once I iron it, you'll be able to see, and that looks like it's inside out. So like that, there we go. And then this one, move that over just a smidge, will look like this. It's just a little cap sleeve. And the cap sleeve doesn't come on the Adelynn, it's a long sleeve, so you can do long sleeve or not, but this is what I do. What happened to my pattern? This is all I do for my cap sleeve, is just a little, you know, do it about the length of the armhole here, and then just like that, and that's my little pattern. So it's just a weak pattern, but if you like to do that, that's all you have to do, is just that little shape. So there you go. I will go ahead and sew these together, and then I will come back and show you what it looks like when they are completed. So I finished a couple of the Adelynns. I got 4 total. That's 8. 4 total out of the shirt. As you know, I showed you that as I cut them out. And I finished 2 of them. And I just wanted to get back on, show you what they look like, and show you what I have left of the shirt and what I'm going to save and what I'm not going to save, and show you what other and little embellishment I did on the plain part. So I'm going to turn this camera down so you can see, and I got to twist it a little bit. Sorry about that. Okay, so this is what I have. I'm going to turn it your way. I should have done that beforehand. There we go. So this is the one that has the lace on the front. This is the one that's plain on the front. As you can see, I did do a little bit of embellishment here. What I did was take the lace right here, and I just cut out this little bottom part that has little frillies on it. So I just cut that out twice and put that on the front, and then this one on the back, where it's got the bottom, you know, the drop back, I did a little embellishment as well with the lace. So all that is this little piece of this right here. So you can use your lace like till the cows come home. I mean, I was going to show you. Okay, so this is the lace on the back, plain on the back, and then vice versa. Lace on the front, plain on the front, with just a little bit of embellishment, because I felt like it was too plain. And this is how look at how the sleeves turned out. I just love them. They're just so cute. And I did want to point out this one, when I did the little sleeve on this, I did the right sides together like this and sewed it and then flipped it over, and then I reinforced along the top. On this one, I just sewed right along the top, and I didn't even finish this edge, but it's such a smooth edge, you can't even tell. I mean, So I just did two different ways to see which one I like the best, and I think I like this one better just because it's more finished look. I like things a little bit more finished, but some people don't. So there you go. So if you don't, if it doesn't bother you, then you can leave this plain. Okay, and now I want to show you what I have left of this shirt. So you saw the shirt before, and this literally, I haven't thrown anything away on this, is what I have left of the shirt. It's crazy. I have hardly anything left, but I'm still going to save a bigger portion of it because I will use it, and I will use these. So I'm going to keep this little embellishment, just this little part because it's such a cute embellishment on those. So I'm going to keep that as well. There's a couple of those, and then I'll throw away like this, stuff, and I'll just keep the big part, and then these little embellishments that I can use. So I'm going to keep part of it, throw some of it away, and I also have this left too, and I will keep this as long as I need to. I will use it probably for the little embellishment part for this little thing. I could even use it as a little skirt on the June. I have a June romper that is a little skirt, and this can be part of the little bottom skirt. It's open on the back. The pattern is open on the back. It just has a little back skirt like this, and it goes just right over their bum. It's so cute just to have a little skirt there. And then the front has sorry, just whacked my microphone. The front has a little bib to it that ties around the neck. So that's probably what I'll use that for, along with many other things. I will get a lot of use out of this little flounce. So there's that. Okay, so if you're interested in the Adelynn, if you don't have the Adelynn yet, please go and see. It's at propsbyposies.com or our Etsy shop, Props by Posies. You can find all of our patterns there. And then I have other videos as well that you can look at. I did some on the Zoe pattern. Zoe is a boy or girl pattern. Works great for both. And so you want to check those out for sure. And thank you for watching. We appreciate you following us and enjoying what we do. We hope you love to upcycle and sew as much as we do and find a lot of pleasure from it and save your business a little bit of money at the same time. So thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.